This is gonna be funny. So we looked over here, up there, in my room. So yeah. Now look at this. Da da da. Da 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 da.
I told you it would be funny.
Legs are sticking out. I don't know if we can't see that. But look what have you done? I made a mess. Clean up after yourself, DJ. You clean this up. Messy little boy. You're gonna be on the naughty list.
He's just an elf.
Yeah, but look what mess he made. He's gonna have to clean it up. He destroyed it. He destroyed everything. At least he didn't crack the door. Here we go. So, say bye, DJ. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye.